In this video, I am going to teach you how to add GIF in card.co site. First thing that you can do is you can head over to their website, which is card.co. It's spelled with double R. So you have two options right here. You can either click onto this, choose a starting point. So this option right here prompts you to choose a particular template that you want to use and also sign up at the same time when you try to publish the site. Second option is to log in. You can choose this one if you want to actually log in into the card.go and if you already have a website that you have published and you already have an account. So here is my actual dashboard. Let me head over and click onto this icon right here in order to edit this site. Now into this will actually open this. So if I want to add a GIF, what I can do is I can click onto this plus icon and we have in here a lot of options. In this case, a GIF is considered an image, so click onto this image option. Now, in here, you will be prompted to upload a GIF. So I'm actually in the tenor.com and I'll head over and choose in here a GIF. I'll choose in here this dog GIF, and for this case, I can head over and then copy or download it. Just right click on it, click onto this save image as, and then from in there, this will save it as our image right there. So what we can do is then click onto this save and then this will be downloaded. Once it's been downloaded, head back to your site and click onto this upload. Let's head over and upload what we have downloaded earlier. So scroll down and click onto this image. And then make sure that it doesn't exceed a 2 MB file size. But if it's done, you should be able to add that particular GIF since as you can see, it supports that. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.